Everyone, this video is part one of two that I want to talk about. We want to talk about government accountability for elected officials. I think there are two things that can very much help this. The first would be term limits. The second is regarding their financial investments, and that'll be part two. As far as term limits, I believe term limits should apply to not only the president, but it should also apply to anyone who is serving in Congress, whether it's House of Representatives or the Senate. My proposal would be that 70 years old is the cutoff. If you're in the middle of a term in which you turn 70, that's your last term. Secondly, elected officials in federal positions, I think, should be capped to 20 years. And that is a combination of both House of Representatives and the Senate. The House is 2-year terms, the Senate is 6-year terms. So they could have a combination. They might start off in the House of Representatives. They could be there for 2 years and then maybe 3 terms as a senator, or whatever combination that turns out to be. I believe that 20 years allows for some level of stability, but it is just a generational gap. It's not 3 generations when we see politicians in there for 60 years who are completely out of touch. And so that, for elected officials, I think should be put in place. In the other area, SCOTUS, Supreme Court, 70 years old, max. That's it. At 70 years old, you're out. I think that they're in too long. I think they become stodgy. I think they become a little bit out of touch. And I think they become corrupted because of their power. And we see justices, both left-leaning and right-leaning, who take advantage, and they're not reporting junkets. They're not reporting special interests. And I think that needs to stop for the best of our country.